Hey friends, my name is IPSY, your beauty bestie, and I'm so excited for today's video. Spoiler alert, I have October's Glam bag and Boxycharm products. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a Glam bag. Here it is. I'm so excited. So the bag itself, adorbs, right? Totally love this. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got in store for this month, people. Okay, so the first product we're going to talk about is the Tatcha Rice Wash Cleanser. Now, the consistency of this cleanser is going to be a little thick and creamy. It's got a beautiful light spa-like scent. I'm really excited to give this a try. I've never actually tried this cleanser before, so I'm really interested to see how it feels on the face and how my skin feels afterwards. But I'm super excited to be receiving this in my bag. You guys are not going to believe this, but we have the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Vitamin Enriched Face Base here. This is your all-in-one primer and moisturizer. I have to admit, I really love when you get like a 2-for-1 sort of deal with your makeup products. You know, we have something that's going to moisturize the skin, but also sets you up and primed for foundation and a full face afterwards. With this product, we have a really rich and creamy consistency, but it's not gonna leave you feeling greasy whatsoever. We have to love that. With this, we also have a great blend of vitamins, vitamin A, B, C, and E, and it also is gonna replenish the skin and really help moisturize so you get a nice smooth base and you're ready for application at the end. I am super excited to try this. Better believe my next makeup routine, this will be the first thing that I put on. So here we have the Thread Beauty Face It Complexion Stick. Look at how cute this is. Perfect to just like drop in your bag, ready to go if you need to do a couple little touch-ups or anything. The coverage is real. Like when I swatched this, I said, okay, she's gonna give me the coverage that I need, the coverage that I want. I actually have some of their Face It sticks, and when I tell you I'm in love, they're so versatile. I love how easy it is to blend out these products. So I'm really excited for everyone to try them. This right here, this one knows what to do. Listen, I don't know about you, but I love me a cute little eyeshadow palette. So we actually have the Elman Beauty Ballerine palette here. We have 5 gorgeous neutral shades, which I think is gonna be perfect for the upcoming months. Actually, neutrals go all year round. So honestly, this is an all year round little palette that you get to keep with you. We have 3 matte shades and we have 2 metallic shimmer shades. Do you see this? This is so cute. Like, love this, love this. So the next product we have is gonna be the Pure Heal Centella 80 Eye Cream. Listen, this is gonna be perfect for morning to night. Don't judge me here. I don't use eye creams all the time, but it's something that I need to do. It's something that I need to do. I'm adding it into my regimen, so I'm really excited to add this to my skincare routine and really just like pamper myself, you know, like give myself a good like. That was exciting. That is all we have for the Glam bag, so you know what's next. You know what we're about to get into. The Boxycharm products. Ooh. Let's go dive in and see what we have in this box because I'm excited. I know you're excited. Let's do it. All right, so the first product that we have here is gonna be the Tula Skincare 24/7 Ultra Hydration Triple Hydro Complex Day and Night Serum. Yes, that was a mouthful, but she's gonna do everything that we need. This is gonna be perfect for day and night time. So in your skincare routine, when you have your serums, you're gonna do this in the day, in the nighttime, 2 to 3 pumps. This is for hydration. One little thing that I really love about this is the component. You twist, and then she's ready to go. I really love this. I'm excited to add this into my routine and just like live my best hydrated life. Keeping up with the theme of hydration, we have First Aid Beauty, and this is gonna be the Ultra Repair Cream. This is gonna be really great for dry, sensitive skin. There's no artificial fragrance in this moisturizer, and it is dermatologically tested, so it's gonna be great for all skin types, especially if you're dry and more on the sensitive side. You need to try this. You gotta try it. So next up, we have the Tarte Blush Tape. Now, this is gonna be in the shade Cherry. When I tell you, a little bit goes a long way, okay guys? Opens up and then you actually have to twist the top and then it will say on, and when you squeeze, that is how you dispense the product. It's very pigmented, so literally you just go ahead and dot this on your cheek, blend however you'd like to blend. You can add more to build up, but I would say start off with less is more. On my hand, I was like, wow, this is gonna look beautiful on the skin. The texture alone just looks stunning. Ooh, we gonna have cheeks, baby. Oh my God, no way, you guys. We have the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray. Personally, I love this stuff. I've actually been through a few of these myself. I love me a versatile product, right? I use this throughout my makeup application, so I like to spray this on my face before I do my foundation. And then I also love to spray this on a beauty sponge before blending out my concealer. It just helps the under eye look so seamless and beautiful. So for those of you who haven't yet tried this, I'm super excited for you guys to try this because I love this. I know you're gonna love it, and like, who doesn't love such a versatile product? I know I do. Here we have the Lunar Beauty Moonshroom Highlighter Palette. Gorgeous, absolutely stunning. I love the little fairy that we have on the moon, and the moon is actually 3D. It like sticks out a little bit. Super, super cute. Here's what the back looks like. It's just such a cute little palette. We have 4 beautiful highlighter shades in here. What I'm most excited for, I did swatches and they're blinding. Do you see the swatches? Careful now. I don't want you to go blind. They're blinding. They're so pigmented. Absolutely love that. And those are just swatches, so I cannot imagine what this is gonna look like on the face. I can already see it. I'm so excited. So there you have it. Those were all the Glam bag and Boxycharm product spoilers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam bag and Boxycharm. The link is in the description box below. Like this video and comment with what your favorite spoiler product was. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay in the know. Bye guys!